Okay, we are July 19th. We are down here in Green Ridge State Forest. I think we're in Buchanan now. But heading down to Maryland to Green Ridge State Forest to do some moto camping this weekend. We've been down here quite a few times, but never did any camping. There's a lot of places to camp down here, so we got to go to the headquarters and try to figure out how you get a site and all that other stuff. But anyway, I got myself a new helmet, and with that helmet I can't use the mount that I had because it flips up. It's a modular, so until I get a new mount, which is on the way, probably won't be any action. So it'll be basically us stopping and bullshitting and looking around and stuff. But it's just Pricey and I down here in the middle of the forest. Kept forgetting to get the camera out and take video, but we're Saturday night here, gonna hopefully get down here and do some camping. All right, wish us luck. Here we are at the Green Ridge State Forest headquarters, and we're gonna try to get our registration done for camping tonight. And then I do not have a pen. How are we supposed to fill it out? Okay, we're learning. Okay, we got to fill out this thing here, pick our site, blah blah blah. So got to come here in the middle of nowhere to register to go somewhere in the middle of nowhere. We just kind of wanted to go and find a site and stay there, but legally you can't do that. So we're trying to do it the right way here. Heading down the trail to the scenic overlook. It's 440 feet. Hopefully it's scenic. Hello. Hello. All right. What are we scenic and what are we overlooking? Oh, there's a whole bunch of trees and some fog. There's probably a river down there. Yeah, scenic. Muggy out, holy cow. Sweating. Whew. Go. Right. Woohoo! We've been to this lookout a couple times, but it's always a good one. See something different every time. What does that say? Wanted. Something, something, speeding violations. Blah, blah, blah. This overlooks the Potomac, which is looking like chocolate milk right now. Cloudy and a little cloudy and overcast a little bit here. All right, still sweating. Okay, here we are at site number 88, and that's the thing about picking them when you don't know what they're doing, because I probably wouldn't have picked this site but site 88, and then right up there's a group site. There's people there, but for tenting, I don't know if I'd have picked this one, but we have it now, I guess. I don't know if there's anything we can do. I'm not going back to that place to get more. So get our tent set up here and stuff and see what's going on. Little creek runs right down through here, right from our site. Right there's our site. Okay, my tent's all set up. Got the bike parked right here. Gonna make fire there. He's about done setting his tent up. Done. He's done. And then we're gonna go get something to eat. We're not roughing it that much. We're gonna go up here to the local restaurant and get something to eat. Hey, here we are. Parked here. Bill's place. Green lights on, so they're open. We're right here at the C&O Canal. Gonna go in and get something to eat and head back to the campground, make a fire. Okay, Pricey's outside trying to get service. I got chicken tenders and fries. I got cheeseburger and fries, a couple of beer skis, and we're gonna wolf this down and get back to camp. So here we are at our campsite, just chilling by the fire. Good ride today. How about it, Mark? Yeah, hit a little bit of rain, but no big deal.
Wasn't dusty.
Wasn't dusty, yep. Now it's just really humid, and you can probably see the sweat running down my face. But we're just gonna chill here for the night, and then hit the bed. Hopefully get some sleep. Good morning here. Oh, a little warm last night sleeping. But time to get up here, get packed up, and get back on the trail. Let's hit it. Okay. Camp's all packed up. Ready to go, Mark?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right. We got a little adventure to get started out here. Stay tuned to what that's going to be. Hopefully it works out. Let's get on the trail. So we didn't even get 5 miles. We knew about this tree across the way here. But our plan is to go down through here. Down through here. Down this creek bed. And then jump up over there. That is the plan. And then we will be on the other side of the tree. We'll see how it goes. And hopefully no more obstacles. Okay, wish us luck. Okay, he's gonna give her a go. One down. Now I'm gonna try it. Easy, easy.
Yeah, pretty soft right there.
Going again.
Almost there. Careful, take your time. Now from there, just kind of get a little bit of momentum and maintain it.
I can't hear you.
Don't stop again. Easy. All right.
It's in my head.
Whoops. When you commit, you gotta go. You can't go slow. You gotta go.
I know.
You want me to do it? Stay on the clutch. Don't stall it. You ain't gonna make it now. Yep.
Good, shut it off. Well, we made it around. I had to stop filming because he needed to push me up over. It got in my head, and I should have got speed and slowed down. Blah, blah, blah. But we made it. Sweating my ass off. Got to get moving here to get cooled off a little bit. One obstacle down, hopefully no more. All right, let's get. Here we are back at Bond's Landing boat launch. It's the Potomac River. Pretty steep boat launch. It's for canoes, kayaks. I don't think they put motorized. They could, but I don't think I'd want to back a truck down here. Especially if it's a little slimy, slick. A little dirty, huh? What are you doing, wading? Fishing? Moving along pretty good here. Come up to this motocross track again. Pretty nice place. There's camper hookups. Pricey said there's a kids track down here, but full RV hookups down through here. Even have a little swimming pool. Got a little kid coming up. It's electric BMX bike. Track here. Where are you at? Little yurt over there to stay in. Yep. Make sure you wave to the camera when you come by. There's a motocrosser there himself right now. Look at that. What's this place called? Pleasure Valley or Pleasure? Okay. Stopped here at this scenic overlook, and I think the last time we were here it was foggy too. But you can still see. And my bag keeps moving over to the right some way, so I'm going to take one of my straps and run it this way so it quits moving that way. Didn't have any problems with it at all yesterday. I don't know why today it keeps moving over there. So I'm going to solve it right now. So the advanced trail comes down here and goes across here, across the river. I guess he's gonna do it. He did it. I guess now I gotta do it. So I guess now I gotta do it. All right, here we go.
Lots of fish in there. It's pretty deep right there. Woo! Third time crossing the same river.
This is the Francis Zumbrun Overlook. I don't know how far it is out here. I guess we'll find out. It wasn't that far of a walk. No big deal. Somebody left their wallet here. Maybe it was Francis Zumbum. Looks like rain over there. Been hitting here and there. Cools us off a little bit. Rain over there. Nice little overlook.
Oh, somebody left their wallet. Now we got to be responsible for that.
Here we are at yet another overlook. This one is Banner's Overlook. Got a nice breeze going finally. Not too bad. Not sweating our asses off anymore with the humidity. But this one's a good one. See a long ways out there. Potomac River down there. Railroad bridge down there, the Potomac. Lots and lots of mountains and ridges. The humidity's better and the temperature's better. Man, these bugs, little gnats, they swarm you as soon as you get off the bike.
Train way down there. It's a nice overlook here too.
Okay, I just pulled back in my driveway Sunday afternoon, and we did 158 miles today since we left from the campsite, and we did 270 miles total for the 2 days. So that was a pretty good trip. Hopefully next trip I will have my other mount for my helmet and my GoPro, and I'll be able to do better action shots. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Later, y'all. Don't forget, get off the couch and get outdoors.